Okay, so now that we've gone through the mechanism for ethene reacting with HBr, one thing I want to point out is that this old reaction that we just did, this is a very simplistic reaction. We only have two carbons and we're reacting it with HBr. So overall, this gets the point across of just one way that alkenes can react with hydrogen halides like HBr, but it's a very simplistic model. And one thing to put across is that this is actually a very important part of OChem, which is the vast majority of OChem is dealing with how molecules can be modified, how they can be changed, how we can change their internal architecture. And the sooner you understand that this is the overall goal of this class, is to kind of talk about how we can change molecules' internal architectures. The sooner you can realize that, the sooner you can get on the bus to trying to grasp how we're able to change these architectures. I know the first time that I took OChem, it took me like half the semester to realize, oh, this is what we're talking about for the majority of the class, and this is what I really need to be concerned about. So I guess the point of this little part is to make sure that you don't think that this is just a passing fad. This is going to make up the grand majority of the rest of this class, this whole concept of bond making and bond breaking. We're going to be doing a whole lot of mechanisms, a whole lot of reactions like this top alkene reaction. So it's absolutely essential that you get comfortable with creating these arrows, understanding the terms electrophile and nucleophile, understanding how electrons can flow, and how we can change old architectures to new architectures, because that is 99.99% of this class. So again, just trying to put across this point that this kind of stuff is not going away, and it's what we're really going to be kind of sinking our teeth into for the rest of the semester. So definitely worth your time to make sure that you really have a firm grasp of what's happening.